Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will unbox and review the all-new 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging stand. Smaller, faster and capable of wirelessly charging your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods simultaneously. So without further ado, let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So the X40 Turbo is a premium charging solution for your Apple devices that's compact, fast and travel-friendly. The box is fairly standard, it's white, similar to Apple products. Inside the box you'll find the X40 Turbo travel bag alongside this paper manual. The travel bag is definitely very handy and I will be definitely using it in my future travel videos. So inside this travel bag you have everything you need to set up this charger. First, you have this little charging brick. It's a USB-C 45-watt charger. Next, of course, you'll find the X40 Turbo charger itself. It's a very portable device, very small and very high quality, but we will have a closer look on it a little bit later. And lastly, they give you a braided USB-C cable. So I would say it's a nice package. I like it. This charger is made of aluminum, so it's pretty heavy and it feels very high quality. It is of course foldable, so you can adjust its position on how you like it best. Magnets are very strong, so no problem here. I have been using this charger for a couple of weeks and I never had any issues. It's not overheating my iPhone. I can charge up to 3 devices at the same time, so it's perfect for someone who is already in the Apple ecosystem. I really like the fact that I have one charging device for all my Apple devices, so my iPhone, my AirPods and my Apple Watch. This little MagSafe foldable charger charges my iPhone 15 Pro Max from 0 to 50% in just under 1 hour, which is pretty fast. Guys, if you're interested in this product, I will leave a purchase link in the description of this video. And by the way, in my opinion, it's very affordable. It's just around 80 bucks and you can regularly find it on sale. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this charger? Do you like it or not? Thanks again for watching. Peace.